clouds are in place and they look good, but if you scrub through the clip, we would notice that the clouds are not moving while the foreground moves due to the camera motion. The clouds should travel with the foreground, and we're going to use motion tracking to solve this problem. After Effects tracks motion by matching pixels from a selected area in a frame to pixels in each succeeding frame. Tracking points designate the areas to track. So press the home key to get you back to the beginning of the timeline. Select the close shot layer. Right click and then select Track and Stabilize, and then Track Motion. After Effects displays the close shot layer in the layer panel, you see over here on the right. In the tracker panel, select the position, rotation, and scale. So position, check rotation, check scale. After Effects displays 2 track points in the layer, and you see these two right here. The outer box in each track point represents the search region. The inner box is the feature region, is what After Effects is searching for. The center X is the attached point. So click an empty area in the inner box, and we're going to drag the entire track point to the corner of the house on the left. So we're going to click right here in this one and drag it up here to this corner right there. Click an empty area in the feature region of the second track, so this one right here, and we're going to drag it to the peak of the roof across from the first track point. So we're going to drag it right up to here. So click right in the middle of that one and then drag it to where you are right there at that point. In the tracker panel, click Edit Target right here. Then in the Motion Target dialog box, we're going to choose Storm Clouds JPEG and then click OK. After Effects applies the tracking data to the target layer. In this case, it's going to track the motion of the close shot layer and apply that tracking data to the storm clouds so they move in sync. Click the Analyze Forward button. The Analyze Forward button is right here, so click that. After Effects analyzes the positions of the tracking regions frame by frame to track the camera movement of the clip. When the analysis is complete, click Apply in the tracker panel and then click OK. And you can see that it did a bunch of stuff down here. Go back to the composition panel. Scrub backwards through the timeline. The clouds will move with the foreground elements. So if we go back to the beginning, let's hide all of these. Let's preview it. You can see it's off up here a little bit, but you get the gist. Because you selected scale in the tracker panel, After Effects resize the layer as necessary to sync it with the close shot layer. The clouds are no longer in the same position. We're going to adjust the anchor point for the layer. So select the cloud layer, press A to display its anchor point property. Change the anchor point position to 313 and 601. And then press A to hide those layers again. Let's click File and Save.